Hello students, welcome to the channel Brain Drain. This video is for class 9 maths part 7 exercise 2.5. In my previous video part 6 I explained you the identities which we will use in polynomials. 9 identities I explained, and today in this video we will do the questions from exercise 2.5 which are related to identities, but only the expand questions, means using the identities we need to expand. Okay, so only these types of question we will do from exercise 2.5, and the rest of the questions I will explain in my next videos. So first I have taken question number 1, expand using suitable identities. Means first you have to see that which identity you need to apply in which question. In my previous video also I explained that first you should know that where you have to apply which identity. So for this we have to just first see the question properly, that which terms are same and what are the signs. So you can see in this second part I have taken of first question, x plus 8, x minus 10. So you just see that first term of both the expressions are same. First term of both expression is same and the second one are different. So in this condition which identity we will apply? First one which I told, that x plus a and x plus b. We apply this identity where the first term in two expressions are same and the second one are different. Fine. So x plus a, x plus b, where first term is same and the second one are different, a and b. So which, now open this identity, means expand it. What was the identity? Have you learnt or not? If you have learned, then it's very good. I told you that all the identities should be on your tips, means you should learn them properly. So now explain it, expand it. What was the identity? First, x square plus a plus b in bracket, then x plus a into b. This was the identity. So in place of x plus a and x plus b we have x plus 8 and x minus 10. So you just easily you can observe from here that x value is x only, a value is plus 8 and b value is minus 10. Compare these two and you will get the value. So what is the value of x? X only. What is the value of a? 8. And what is the value of b? Minus 10. So now we will expand this identity and we will put these values. So in place of x, only x, a value is 8, b value is minus 10 into x, x value is x, plus a value is 8, multiply, there is no sign, it means multiplication sign, and b value is minus 10. So now x square will be x square, 8 minus 10 minus 2, and into x, so minus 2x. Again plus minus, minus, and 8 into 10, 80. So the expansion of this is x square minus 2x minus 80. So if you will multiply these two expressions with the common method, simple method, without using the identity, the answer will be same. But why we are using the identities? Why, if we have the direct thing of anything, so why to use the bigger calculation form? Okay, so we can apply the identity because the terms are according to the identities. So we can easier our calculation by using the identity. Just you have to first think that which is the suitable identity, then apply that and put the values. That's it. So this is your answer. Now come to the fourth part. After this I have taken fourth part. Now first of all you see here that which identity we will apply, then after that we will calculate it. So you see here y square, first term same, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, second term is also same. So if in two expressions which are in multiplication both terms are same, so for this we have three identities. Which identities? When the both expressions are positive, then a plus b whole square. When both expressions are negative, then a minus b whole square. But in this, one is positive expression and another is negative expression. So which one? A plus b, a minus b, or you can say x plus y and x minus y. This identity we will use here because both expressions are same but the signs are different. One is positive and one is negative. So we will use this identity. So what was the identity? X plus y, x minus y was equal to x square minus y square. Fine. After that you see what is the value. What is the value of x? What is the value of x? Y square. So in place of y, x we will keep I square. And what is the value of y? 3 by 2. So where is x in the identity? We will keep y square, and where is the y in the identity? We will keep 3 by 2. So x square. Now you put x value. First you put x value. What is the value of x? Y square. And 1 square is there in this also. Minus what is the value of y? 3 by 2 and square. Just we have put the values of x and y according to the given question. So y square square means power of power, multiply the power. We have done exponent and power also. 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. So this is the answer. What is the answer? Y raised to the power 4 minus 9 by 4. Clear? Now third part. Y square minus 2, y square minus 2. So which identity we will apply here? Both expressions are same. First one also and second one also, y square 2 2. And both expressions are negative also. So which identity? X minus y whole square. What was the identity? X square minus 2xy plus y square. Now you by comparison see your value here, that what is the value of x and what is the value of y in the given question. So what is the value of x? This is the value of x, y square. And what is the value of y? 2. We will not consider minus because we have already considered minus in the identity. So again and again we will not take minus sign because we are not using x plus y whole square identity. We are using x minus y whole square identity. So this minus 2, this minus sign we will not consider again. Fine. So in place of x what you have to keep? Y square, and in place of y 2. So x is equal to y square. X is equal to y square, not x square. X is equal to y square ka square. This square is the value of x and this square is there in identity. Minus 2 into what is the value of x? Y square. And what is the value of y? 2. प्लस y की वैल्यू क्या है? 2 और उसका स्क्वायर. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? y रेस टू द पावर 4 माइनस 2 इंटू 4y स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 4. So this is the answer. And why we are not subtracting and adding these terms? Because these all are unlike terms. Clear? Now come to the fourth part. 3x plus z whole square, 3x plus z whole square. I think this one is fifth because fourth we have already done. So both expressions are same in terms also and in sign also. Both expressions are same and positive. So which identity? X plus y whole square. And what is the identity? X square plus 2xy plus y square. So what is the value of x? This 3x. So what is the value of x? This, why I am writing the value of x and y, that you should not be confused. If you cannot keep the values directly, so you can write the values of x and y. So what is the value of x according to the question? 3x. and y value is z square. z नहीं है खाली, y की वैल्यू क्या है? z स्क्वायर, क्योंकि x प्लस वाई होता है और y की जगह क्या है? z स्क्वायर. तो अब हम इस साइड राइट हैंड साइड में x और y की वैल्यू रखेंगे. x की वैल्यू क्या है? 3x. तो 3x का होल स्क्वायर लिखना है. ब्रैकेट इज कंपल्सरी हेयर. अगर आप ब्रैकेट नहीं लगाएंगे, इफ़ यू विल राइट इट लाइक दिस 3x स्क्वायर, तो वो सिर्फ x का स्क्वायर माना जाएगा, 3 का नहीं. तो दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. और हमें x की वैल्यू जो भी है उसका क्या करना है? होल स्क्वायर. प्लस 2 इंटू एक्स की वैल्यू क्या है? 3x. और y की वैल्यू कितनी है? z स्क्वायर. प्लस y की वैल्यू क्या है? z स्क्वायर. ये जो y है सिर्फ उसकी वैल्यू है z स्क्वायर, और उसके ऊपर एक स्क्वायर जो आइडेंटिटी में है. ठीक है. तो 3 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 9. नाउ वी विल ओपन द ब्रैकेट. सो व्हेन वी विल ओपन द ब्रैकेट, 3 स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू 9 and x square will be only x square. Now 2 into 3 6 and x z square plus z square means z raised to the power. So this is the answer. Clear? So now in first question I took 4 parts. In these 4 parts we are using different identities, and the question was that expand using suitable identities. So first we think that which identity will suit here, then we have calculated. Fine. Now come to the fourth question. I have left second and third because these two questions are not related to the expansion of identities. So again fourth question is expand. So what are you observing here, that which identity we will use? In this we have 3 terms, and for the 3 terms we have only one identity, that a plus b plus c whole square. बताई थी मैंने आपको in my previous video. So what is the identity? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. तो अब हम अपनी वैल्यूज़ लिख लेते हैं. व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ a? 3a. What is the value of b? Minus 7b. Now why we are considering sign? Because here we are not applying the identity of the minus sign. हमारा सब प्लस है इसमें आइडेंटिटी में. So we will consider the signs also. So b value is minus 7b and c value is minus c. So in our identity, in place of a we will keep 3a, in place of b minus 7b, and in place of c minus c. Now start putting the values. A value is 3a, so 3a whole square. B की वैल्यू क्या है? minus 7b, so minus 7b whole square. And c value is minus c, so minus c whole square. When you have sign and number and constant and variable together, so you always put bracket, then put the square sign. Fine. Now plus 2 into a into b. So 2 into 3a into minus 7b. Don't put two signs together also. Then this plus, then 2bc. So for 2bc, 2 into b. B value is minus 7b. And into c. C value is also minus c. Plus 2ca. So 2 into c value is minus c and a value is 3a. Now start calculating. 3a square. So 3 square is 9 and a square is a square. Minus minus plus हो जाएगा. So this sign will be positive only. 7 7 49 means 7 square is 49 and b square is b square only. Minus square will be positive, so plus c square. ठीक है. Now calculate this. 2 into 3 6, 6 into 7 42, 2 into 3 6, 2 is 2 3 2 into 3 6, 6 7, 6 into 7 42 and plus minus minus, so minus 42. First multiply constants then variables, a into b, ab. Now plus, but before this we will see the signs. Minus minus plus, तो यहाँ positive sign आएगा. Now multiply the constants. 2 into 7 14, that's it, 14 b c. Now here plus minus minus signs, and then constants. 2 into 3 6, c and a, so ac. So this is the answer, means the expansion form of this identity. ठीक है. Two parts I have taken of this question, fourth and sixth. A plus b plus c whole square. I think no need to write again the identity. I have written here. Just you direct apply and write the value. Value of a is a upon 4. 1 upon 4 into a. You can directly write a upon 4. Value of b is minus b upon 2. And value of c is minus 1. Now start putting the values directly. A square means a upon 4 whole square, plus b square means minus b upon 2 whole square, plus c square means minus 1 square. Then after that plus 2 into a into b, plus 2bc means 2 into b into c, plus 2 is ca, 2 into c into a. सबकी वैल्यूज रख दी हमने. नाउ कैलकुलेशन. a स्क्वायर एंड 4 स्क्वायर 16, प्लस माइनस b स्क्वायर 2 स्क्वायर 4, then plus 1. After that we can cut this. Now प्लस माइनस 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 साइन आएगा. a इंटू बी ए बी अपॉन 4, 2 इंटू 2 4. नाउ नेक्स्ट प्लस माइनस 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 प्लस, 2 से 2 इधर कट जाएगा. एंड देन b इंटू 1 विल बी इक्वल टू b ओनली. देन दिस प्लस माइनस माइनस, 2 से हम ये 4 कट कर देंगे. a इंटू 1 a अपॉन 2. ठीक है. So this is the answer. So two part I did of question number 4 also, expansion of the identity of a plus b plus c square. Now come to the sixth question. In this question is also of expand of which identity. You can see here the cubic one. We did yesterday cubic identity also, x plus y whole cube and x minus y whole cube. So these two are related to that. I have taken two parts, third and fourth. Third one is the positive one and the fourth one is the negative one. So I have taken these two parts. So start doing. First we will do the third part. So first write the identity. What was the identity? If you remember, x plus y whole cube was related to, tell me, x cube, then plus y cube, then plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. यही थी ना. I told you that you learn the identities. Again I am repeating, learn all the identities. Fine. So start doing now. So x value is 3x by 2, this one, and y value is 1. So in place of x you keep this, and in place of y 1. Start putting the values. So in place of x, 3x by 2 whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into x square means 3x by 2 का whole square into 1 plus 3xy square means 3 into 3x by 2 plus 1 का square. So now 3 cube 27 x cube अपॉन 8 प्लस 1, जितनी भी टर्म्स अंदर हैं सबका क्यूब करना है, ध्यान रखना है। प्लस बिफोर कटिंग इट फर्स्ट यू ओपन द स्क्वायर, 3 इंटू 3 स्क्वायर 9 x square and 2 square 4 and 1 plus 3 into 3 9x upon 2 plus, sorry it's not plus, it's multiply, into 1 square is 1. Now 27x cube upon 8 plus 1 plus 27x square upon 4 plus 9x by 2. So calculation is done, and it's better that you write all your answer in descending order, all the terms in your answer in descending order and according to the powers, like we did here also. So this answer also can be written in the descending order, that first this one, then this one, then these constant term, then the last one. Okay, so this can be written like this also, otherwise you can leave it here. This also write in descending order, first this one, then this square, then this x1, means according to the degree, 3 2 1 and then constant term. Fine, so then this will be the answer. One more is left, x minus 2 y upon 3 whole cube. X minus 2y upon 3 whole cube. So which identity? X minus y whole cube, because there is already minus in the identity, so when we will take the values of x and y, we will not consider minus. Again and again we cannot take it. So what was the identity? Because minus we are already taking in the identity, x cube minus y cube, then plus 3x square y or minus प्लस, बिकॉज नहीं सॉरी माइनस, क्योंकि हम x का स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं y का नहीं, 3x स्क्वायर y प्लस 3x y स्क्वायर. फाइन, नाउ पुट द वैल्यू. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x? x ही है, x की वैल्यू क्या है? x, और y की कितनी है? 2y by 3. So in place of x cube only x cube, and in place of y cube 2y upon 3 का whole cube, minus 3 into x square into 2y by 3 plus 3 into x into 2y by 3 whole square. Fine. So x cube minus 2 cube is 8, y cube upon 27 minus 3 cut by 3. So what is left? 2x square y. In this, first open the bracket, 3 into x 3x into 2y upon 3 का cube. It means 4, oh sorry square, 4y square upon 9. So now we can cut it. So what is coming? X cube minus 8y cube upon 27 minus 2x square y plus 4xy square upon 3. Fine. So after calculating these, now we are getting the answer is x cube minus 8y cube upon 27 minus 2x square y plus 4xy square upon 3. So in this exercise 2.5 we have done the expansion question. In these questions we need to expand means multiply करनी थी, which expressions we have we need to multiply them, but using identities we need to expand these given expressions using identities. So almost all the identities we have used here. In the first question which we did here of expansion, these two parts were in the question. These two parts I took it myself. These are not in the book NCERT, because Just I need to explain you these two identities expansion also, that's why. So now you do the remaining parts of this question, these questions which we did in this video, and for the remaining questions don't forget to see next part. Thank you.